Heavy cement buildup was found inside the gear reducer. The bolts were badly rusted and could not be removed normally. A broken screw was stuck inside the threaded hole. The damaged bolts had to be cut off. The broken screw was successfully taken out. The internal parts were covered with hardened cement. The threaded holes were re-tapped due to serious rust. The contact surfaces were cleaned and polished. All parts were cleaned step by step before assembly. This is the second round of cleaning. Shims were added to keep proper bearing clearance. This helps prevent the two bearing sets from becoming too tight. After cleaning, repair, and assembly, the gear reducer was successfully rebuilt as a complete unit.